Well, students, as in the last class, we have seen how, regarding the place value and face value of the different digit in any numbers. So, and also we have seen how to read the numbers in Indian system as well as international system. So, today we will start the different numbers and we have to tell that what is the place value or face value and how to put the commas in that one and how to write their names. Question number 5 is here. Write the place value of 5 in following numbers. Certain numbers are given to you. A, B, C, D. 4 numbers are given to you. In this one, you have to tell that what is the place, write the place value of 5 in each numbers. So see the number? Here 5 is coming here. So first find out in which place this is coming. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 5 is coming on the place of 10,000. So 5 multiplied by 10,000. So it will become the question number 5A. What is the place value will become? 5 into 10,000. 10,000. Because it is coming on 10,000 place. So multiply this number 5 into 10,000. So this will become 50,000. So what is? So place value of 5 is will be 50,000. Question number 2. 5 is coming here. So here ones, tens, 100. This is coming on the 100,000 place. So place value. What will be the place value of 5 in question number 5A? A part. This is the B part. B part, what will be the answer? After 5 put the 0 here. So 5 into 1000, that will become 5,000. 5,000. So place value of the 5 in this number will become 5,000. Here, now again just see here. So this number, when you were looking, so after first comma was put after 3 digit, then 2 digit. That means this was the case of Indian system. Here 7 and 3 after 3 digit, now 590 is coming. So that means the comma is coming here after 3 digit. That means this number is written in as international system. So here 5. This value 590,783. इसमें 5 के प्लेस पे what is the place value of 5? Since there is no comma is written here, if one comma was putting here, then that means that is written in Indian system. अगर दो डिजिट के बाद कॉमा नहीं रखा गया, इसका मतलब ये इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में लिखा गया है. और देन व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम, फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन. सो वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 and this is the 100,000. So 5 is coming on which place? 100,000. So 5 into 100,000, that means put the 0 here. Accordingly 0, 0, 0. So this will become the how much? 500,000. So what will be the place value of case of C after 5? It will be ready as per the international system. So this is 500,000. 500,000. Here also we see after 3 digit one comma is put here. That means here also it is written in as per the, here also it is written in as per the international system. So this 5 is coming on which place? 1, 10, 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and after the thousand, the international system, which place comes? Million. So this 5 is coming at the place of million. So after 5, if you put the 0 here, so what will be read here? This is 5 million. So answer of A question, this is the answer of A, this is the answer of B, this is the answer of C, and this is the आफ्टर दैट डी का आंसर क्या होगा? 5 जो है किस नंबर पे आ रहा है? सी बाय लुकिंग द कॉमा फर्स्ट यू डिसाइड दैट दिस नंबर इज रिटन इन विच सिस्टम. अगर 3 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा लगाया गया इसका मतलब ये नंबर जो है इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में लिखा गया. इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के हिसाब से बताना पड़ेगा और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के हिसाब से इस ये 5 नंबर किस पे आ रहा है? 1 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000 and after that million. So this will be 5 million. 5 million. 5 million. Or you can write 5 million में कितने जीरो? 3 3 6 जीरो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 3. So this will be the answer of the D question. So if any place value you have to find out, first decide in which system it is written here. After that, according to their place value, you just read and write the answer. So this way you can solve the question number 5. Clear? Now again we will see question number 6. Question number 6, what is there? Put the commas and write the number names as per Indian number system. So different digits are given you. And here according to the Indian number system you will have to put the commas. Put the commas and write the number names. कॉमा लगाने के बाद उस नंबर को इंडियन सिस्टम के हिसाब से तुमको बताना है कि उसका नाम क्या होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर Question number 6. Question number 6. See. Question. In the question, what is our? Different numbers are given to you. First, put the comma according to the Indian number system. So, Indian number system में क्या होता है? 9 8 9 7 6 3 8. First, according to the Indian system, put the comma, and after that, how what will be read here. So, in the Indian system, first comma is coming after 3 digit, and after that 2 digit. So, this number will be read what? 1 10 100 1000 10,000. So, this will be read 97,000. So, what will be 97,000? 638. 638. This is the number name. Put the comma according to the Indian system, and after that, according to this one, what is the number name? So this number name is 97,638. Now see question number B. Question number B. One more number is given here. Question number B. 1 2 1 3 7 5. Here also according to Indian system, first comma is coming after 3 digit, then each 2 digit. Now accordingly, this number name will be what? 1 10 100 1000 10,000, and this is coming on place of lakhs. So 1,21,375. So this number name will become 1,21,375. 375. day. Now see, 4068,179. 4068,179. This also according to the Indian number system, put the first comma. Then again this number, same way, first comma will be after 3 digit, then each after 2 digit you put the comma. Now accordingly you read this one and write the number names. Now see, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So this will be lakhs place period. So this is called 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs, 68,000. 68,000. 179. 179. So this number will be read this and so question number 6 is also you have completed. Now see, same way as you were doing question number 6, only the difference is there. Here it is Indian system, and in this question same way you put the comma according to the international system, and after that you write their names. So see question number 7. Question number 7. A. 2, 3, 4, 2, 7. Now in the, as you know that in the international system, first we put the comma. So in the international system, always comma is put after 3 digit. So first 3 digit is coming here, after that only 2 digit here. So this can be read now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this will be 23,000. $23,400. 427. Next number B. 1, 2, 1, 3, 7, 5. So according to Indian international system, first comma is coming here, and after 3 digit here 3 digits are here. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is the 6. Question number 6. Or 8. So here write another number 998,916. This first comma will come here and second comma after 3 digit. So this also you read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is the 100,000 place. So this is all 1000 period. So till 100 period, this is 998,000. What is the 998? Because this is the 1000 period, until 998,000. 998,000 916. So B, and next this is question number C. 4068179. 820756. 820756. So it's easy. So here also 820,000. 820,756. So this is also number name 820,756. So this question number 7 is also over. So both way you must know how to read the international system, the different numbers, and how to read the Indian number system, and how to put the commas. Because if you are not putting the comma accordingly, so that number name will be different. It's clear? So we will see the again next question. Next question. So question number 7 is over. Now question number 8. The numerals for the following number names. Now just reverse. Here some numbers are given to you and you were writing the number name. Now in the next question just reverse of this one. Certain number names are given and then you have to put accordingly as per the given. Suppose one number is given to you. Question number 8. A. 2,37,000. 2,37,526. 526. So in this one, number name is given and you have to write the numerals. So what 2,37,000. Now see, ones, tens, hundred. Put comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then again here million. So on behalf of million, how much million is given here? 2. So here below this one, write 2. And 37,000. See here, 37,000. But on the place of 100, nothing is given. That means here only 0 is come and 37,000. 500. Then again 526. So this is numeral 2,37,526. So this will be the answer of this. Second B, 54 lakh 75,000. 54 lakh 54 lakhs 75,000. 75,000. 689. 689. 89. This number you have to write. 54 lakhs. Since here lakhs is given, that means it is Indian system. So accordingly, Indian system, because lakh is not coming in the international system. So 20 now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. Now 54, 10 lakhs. This is this thing. So 54 lakh. So here write 54 lakhs. That means 54 lakhs. Put the comma first. After that 75,000. So 75,000. 689. So this is the numerator of this question. So this is the answer of above. So same way, certain more problems are given here. So that I will give you in the homework. Now next question number 9. We time में 10 मिनट ना तो भी homework भी लेंगे नो एक बुक Question number 9. The last question. Just see. Fill in the blanks. Certain blanks are given to you that you have to fill. A. In the Indian number system, the place which is just to the left of 1000 place, to the left of 1000 place is fill in the blank. In the Indian number system, the place which is just to the left of the 1000 place. So Indian number system place which is. So what is the place value of that? After just see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So which is place which is just to the left to the 1000 place. This is the 1000 place. Left of just left of this one, which place comes? 10,000. So what you will put here in the blank? In the Indian number system, the place which is just to the left to the 1000 of place, here your answer will be 10,000. So this will be the answer of this question. So second question B. 10,000 can also be written as 10,000 can also be written as dot hundreds. See, 10,000. This number can also be written as hundreds. That means 10,000 is equal to how many hundreds? This you find out. 10,000 will equal to how many hundred? See, 10, 1, 2, 3. 10,000. This is 100. In 100, you know that how many zeros comes? 2 zeros. 500 if you are writing. After 5, write 2 zeros. 700, 7, 2 zeros. 1500, 15, 2. So this way, if you will put the comma here after 2 zeros, so which number is coming here? 100. So that means 100. So what will come here? 10,000 can also be written as how many hundreds? 100 hundreds. Because 10,000, so 10,000. Here, how much hundred is here? This much hundred, no? Because in 100 there are 2 zeros. So 100 hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 100. So here you can put the 100. This will be the answer of B. Next. So this question number 9 is completed. Now I am giving certain homework to you that you will do yourself.
फोटो खींच
किसका?
क्वेश्चन का
So after this one. So this way, now I have explained you how to read the different numbers and how to put the commas in both the system, Indian system, international system, and how to from the numbers how you are giving their name, and from the name how you are writing the numerals. So this thing is completely question number exercise number 1.1 is completed. So in the next class we will see the whatever is coming in. Okay, thank you.
इसी फोटो कौन सा होमवर्क देना है?
तो अलग अलग देना पड़ेगा, जैसे इसमें से 2-3 सॉल्व करवा दिए आपको।